Hello, welcome back to Carpe Diem with Ridhima. In my last vlog, you saw our Taupo adventures, thrilling activities, gorgeous views. From there, we headed to Rotorua, a town that promises adventure, relaxation, and interesting sulfur perfume in the air. Trust me, Rotorua की vibe अलग है. Ready to explore? Come along. New Zealand is divided into two parts, North Island and South Island. Rotorua comes in North Island. Rotorua is a hotspot for adventure activities. And first on the list was whitewater rafting. Now, Rashnika and Tanish were super pumped for some epic whitewater rafting. We are talking 7-meter drops. Sounds exciting, right? अब देखो राफ्टिंग का तो मुझे बहुत शौक है. I have done it in Rishikesh and absolutely loved it. But इस बार my knee decided to protest. Plus my cousin Mridula reminded me of her last rafting injury and said, Ridhima, बस यहाँ नहीं. Good, I listened to her. After hearing from kids about their experience, certainly it was thrilling and fun. But guys, ये देखो और आप decide करो. So while the kids went all in, I played the smart observer and बीच-बीच में हमारे भी photo shoots चल रहे थे. And oh, the first rapid that I watched, it looked thrilling. But as the raft disappeared into the second drop, I heard screams that were half terror and half major fun. Kids had a blast and I felt like the cheerleader clapping from the side. Post rafting, we checked into this gorgeous hotel. The highlight? A spa cottage right in the middle of nature. Can you imagine unwinding in a hot tub surrounded by greenery? And by the time we reached this place, it was 4:35, so you can see the colorful sky. The relaxation vibes were strong and my knee was thanking me for the rest. The next day, the kids were ready to take over the forest. This time on a zip line. Heights, speed, and the lush forest beneath. It's like flying, but with a harness.
Most you can, just do it all in one.
Okay. This is again a must-do activity. ये 2 घंटे की एक्टिविटी रहती है, so please be prepared. Next up was gondola and luge rides. The gondola ride took us to a point with stunning panoramic views. From the top, Rotorua looked so gorgeous. And then came the luge ride. It's like go-karting but on curvy tracks. बच्चों का तो अलग मजा. But let me tell you, it's super fun for us adults too. It was good fun. Of course, no Rotorua trip is complete without a dip in a sulfur pool. Rotorua is famous for its geothermal activities and you can smell sulfur almost everywhere. So our evening was reserved for this hot water spa. We headed to a spa with hot sulfur pools. The smell was strong, but trust me, after 10 minutes, you are so relaxed, you just don't care. Sitting in the hot water, letting all the travel fatigue melt away, this was pure bliss. Chill in the air and hot water spa was a perfect thing to relax. Post spa, the post sulfur smell, well, that's what ice cream is for. We treated ourselves to some delicious ice cream because why not? The next morning, before heading back to Auckland, we took a quick drive around Rotorua town. The vibe of this place, so calm yet full of life. We stopped by the lakeside. Can you see that seaplane taking off? And those seagulls, they were flying around like they own this place. Rotorua town is filled with island of flowers. Then there's landscaping everywhere. So it looks so beautiful.
That was nice.
We visited this park filled with flowers, stunning colors and endless varieties. It felt like walking through nature's own art gallery. Can you see these fumes coming out? This is also one of the sulfur pools और इसका टेम्परेचर है 100 डिग्रीज प्लस. ऐसे काफ़ी सारे pools आपको दिखेंगे रोटोरुआ में. Rotorua is not just about adventure, it's about soaking in nature's beauty. So guys, if you're planning a trip to New Zealand, Rotorua should be on your list. Here's a quick recap of must-dos. Whitewater rafting for the thrill seekers, zip lining for those who want to fly through forests, gondola and luge rides for unbeatable views and fun, sulfur pool spa for ultimate relaxation, and a stroll through the town to soak in its charm and beauty. That's all for today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. See you in the next one. Tab tak, carpe diem, love you all, take care.